to show you. This is my first ever how to do. My original design are rainbow path, and I'll teach you how to put a bead or charm in your bracelet. And this is actually based on the what do you call this? Triple single or single triple triple single. So first of all, you need your loom, a staggered position, and I'm using the loom band, the fake one, because I don't have the real one for now. It's only temporarily for now. There are clips and some bands. And if you want a charm or a bead. So you need your loom or arrows pointing away from you. And just push so it won't wobble. And that's what I do always. So I'm using the colors. What's the perfect color for today? Orange, violet, and blue. And on the side one just pink randomly. So first I'm gonna do the middle row first. So just push them down and going her way in to the last. Kailangan ko nang bumalik. Sige, samahan na lang kita pabalik. Huwag na. Baka makita ka ni Papa. Papagalitan niya ako. Sige, Izay. Izay, mag-ingat ka. So, same time I'm watching TV. So let's do the side rows. We do this first using aqua and blue in this side, like in this one, because I love that color and the combination. So you can keep up with me because I'm really much a slow maker. So I really love this triple single. It's the easiest one that I even know. Oops. Sorry for that. So let's do this row. Using violet for this one. Oh, I love this kind of violet. So we're done with this one. It should look like this exactly. And just push them down with your hook, and I'm using just a crochet hook because it's not a real loom, it's just a fake. I'm just saying it's not real. This might broke and have some many edges. So there. Should be pushed down so we have some rows here. So let's do the triangle, and I'm using the triangle with the color red. So if you don't know how to do the triangle in the loom, that's why it's staggered. To put the first peg or here and just stretch and put on the side. Put this. And it should be like this exactly, and just push them all down and doing it on the side. So let's turn this around, and your arrow should be pointing here. And just grab the bottom of this. Oh, what happened? Damn it. Don't make this along. So I just have a bluebird. Let's start to the second because I forgot. Sorry. Here or here. I'm gonna do this violet side because much bad luck in blue.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG at kung may kabayan na tungkol ay kailangan sa lahat ng manunood.
I'm gonna do this. That's too bad luck. This one is not bad luck.
Papatawag ko ba? Kaya na ako lumayo para makahanap. Kasi, kung kaibigan, dapat lagi nandiyan. Nararamdaman ko hindi ako sila sa kanila. Okay ka lang. Nandigulo talaga ako kasi wala akong sa tabi niya. At least yung nakita kami dalawa, bago ko sa'yo. Ito na lang yung
any side you want to do. I'm just using or just hockey the middle one because I've been off with bad luck in the side. Keep up with me because I'm just a beginner and I already made my original design.
Alam naman natin sinaktakan yung pamilya mo, di ba? Paano ba saktan nila ulit? Saka ulit, may usapan na tayo, magkano na tayo eh. May bahay tayo, magugulo na tayo ang buhay natin. Tapos papasundin natin sila ulit. O pag nakapasok sila, sisirain na naman na kung meron tayo.
Just grab the rubber band so it's stick won't break.
Iwan ko na lang sa buhay.
Salamat po. Akong nakiusap sa kanya. Hindi ko malaman. Sabi naman ng kapitan. Pinunta ko doon sa park. Wala ka naman doon.
Hindi mo ba naman ayaw mo magpakita sa'yo?
So I'm also doing side. Yay! For the first time. So I'm just trying this one. So
Wala.
let's do
Naalala ko ng mami mo. Ganyan din siya kapag
Hindi
naiinip.
mo siya kinuha. Huwag ka mag-cellphone, parang kilala mo siya.
Pero may anak ako. Ako ang iyong ama ko. Ano ba ang kailangan kong gawin para matanggap mo yan?
Mr. Ramos, ayaw ko na ulitin ang eksena. Ayaw kita sa buhay. Sana ulit tayo.
Huwag mo akong papalikuran. Wala akong kasalanan sa'yo, Nicole. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kami ng mami mo. Lumalapit ako sa'yo. Dahil gusto ko kayong makilala. Gusto ko maging maayos ang lahat. Gusto ko maging bahagi ng buhay mo. Parang nag-brad, swerte mo sa akin mo ni. The best talaga magluto. Ang nga tumusik mo. Teka lang. Ayun yung iniimutimog ko dyan. Lalo yung damit ka pa. Si Monica. Pasok na lang din pa. Oh. Ba't yan naman gagawin yung nagtrabaho na balik ka? Ano nga, diba? Okay na nga kami. Hawak namin yung oras namin. Malaya na kami dalawa. Eh, ngayon, di ba ganyan oras din tayo? Gawin naman natin yan. Gagawin ko. Pare, hindi sa panghihimasok. Pero yung gusto ng kanyang binan mo na yan, malabo yan. Wala naman lalaking gusto ng binan niya. Pero,
So just a note that you should get in the middle or through the center, and
sundin mo yung nasa puso mo.
this should be the pose of this one, and just get
Malaki na sa building.
the button, the real button, the super ultra mega button.
Mahal mo ba yung asawa mo? Oo naman. Lahat naman yung ginagawa ko para sa kanya. Ganun pala eh. Alam mo na.
So we're done there, and the last step in here is just grab this bottom or the other side, because I just end the other side. So let's do this one so he can sleep. So, oh yeah, it should be look like when the two are done, and
appreciate ko talaga. As in, sobra-sobra.
And grab the side.
Pupunta. Pagkain mo sa akin. Pagkain mo na iniisip ko paano ka mapapasaya.
The side.
Ano
Oops.
ipapasaya sa akin?
To this side.
Kaya thank you. Thank you sa pagmamahal mo, sa sapat mo, sa
Gusto ko kaya pumasok sa wika.
So this what it looks like when it's done. Should be like this. And this last one, just remove this one to this one. So start to space. And get where you start, get all the rubber bands, stick your hook, and get a quarter of the middle band or any. So just be careful. Just be careful not to break it, because I have tons of broken
Just like
rubber
many of you,
bands.
I'm no superbody. I'm just an ordinary guy. But sometimes naisip ko, why can't I be a better version of myself? Less fit, less healthy.
So go ahead, join the Century Tina Superbod Super Challenge in Boracay. With the Superbods diet and workout, you will see a brand new John Lloyd. Join us on April 26th.
Kaya mo, kaya nyo.
Ngayong bagong taon, tuloy-tuloy ang surf sa paghatid ng preskong pagmangsaya sa bawat pamilya. Dahil patuloy kaming #1 sa inyong mga puso. Siguradong mapapangiti ka at iyong pamilya sa handog namin sa bawat bagong surf. Tara na magsaya sa Surf Fiesta.
The scientists at Shell have created Shell V-Power Nitro Plus. Its unique double action formula is designed to clean and protect vital engine parts. Designed for improved performance, helping make the roads more exciting to drive.
So I'm just slowly getting the rubber bands, because the rubber bands are really delicate.
Shell V-Power Nitro Plus. Performance that excites.
One piece ginger, one spoon of salt, one packaging ng moto. It's the golden trio.
Ang may papakita at ang masarap ang bibigay.
Stella never gets steroids. Love you, Ma.
Merry Christmas.
#1 spaghetti sauce at #1 hot dog. The #1 spaghetti sauce with Pure Foods tender juicy hot dog. Ready to serve na tuwing merienda. Mga favorites nila. Pag si Lucho ayaw kumain, ako nagkakaayos. Kain na po.
So this what it looks like when the triple single are done. So just make a slip off knot.
Pyramid. To help make Lucho a 100% Ate po, 100% panatag para sa lahat.
And just knit the
Girls,
sides.
habang mahabang hair ko, you are damaged.
Just pull the sides.
Beautifully long
And
shampoo.
that
100%
holds
natural.
all
Helps
this.
protect long hair, so it's not just long, it's beautifully long. Ang haba ng hair mo. Have
Or you
great hair.
just get it with your
Favorites ko. Get some Mustapha.
So first, to do your path, just stick your hook here in the first one. Get your wind.
Ma'am Nicole, tumatawag po si Sir
And
Elias
do like
ng
this.
Hindi daw po
And
kasi
do like
makapag-usap.
this.
Okay,
Get in
meron
your
po ba?
wind.
Kakausapin daw po kayo ni Boom?
Hello, Ma'am Nicole.
Yes.
Do like this. Just follow the step.
Kaya, ma'am, pwede mo makipenta ng farm.
Ibabenta ko sa kanya yung rent dito. Kasi sa akin to, maliwanag.
Pero, ma'am,
Tama na. Gusto tong conversation na to. Antayin niyo na lang ako dun bukas. Ipa-finalize namin ni Adrian yung sale ng property. Bye.
hindi mo dapat ako kinahabahan. Wala kami magkikita ng papa mo.
Kaya nga ako kinakabahan eh. Pero excited din ako. Thank you pumunta ka dito. Monica? Adrian?
Ay,
Ryan?
halika. Hindi mo nagsasasabi. Halika. Nakapag-usap mo ba? Isa. Ano na ang desisyon?
Kaya mo kami nabili kami Adrian. Kasi sinusuportahan namin yung pagpasok ko sa Vita.
Good.
Tara na sa loob. Handa ng dinner. Sige na. Buti nakarating kayo ngayon. Wala ka bang trabaho, Adrian?
Wala po ngayong araw na to. Bukas po ang appointment ko eh.
Sana pala sinama mo si Bunjoy. Next time na lang siguro na eh. Alam mo, natutuwa talaga ako na pinayagan mo si Monica.
So this is harder than you thought. But it's just basically just doing
Lilipat po kayo ng
the
bahay.
chain.
Sa Talogsoro po. Sa isang townhouse. Bakit hindi sa village? Para secure. Lumaki-laki na rin siguro si Bonjoy tsaka pag lumago na yung negosyo namin. Alam mo na pwede sa puso. Kahit kailan mo. Hindi ko siya itagal. Sa sarili ko hindi sikip. Kaya nung pinakasalan ko naman yung si Monica, ang pinangako ko lang sa sarili ko, pagprotektahan ko siya palagi. At gagawin ko lahat para maging masaya siya. Sa tingin ko, yun lang ba yung ginagawa mo? Okay naman yung trabaho ko eh. Basta siya tsama. Naitayo na namin yung agency. Okay naman kami ni Monica. Tsaka masaya siya. Kasi naibibigay ko lahat ng kailangan niya. Huwag na lang po dun sa pagtanggap niya.
So get the end of this one. Get a pink rubber band. Slip that all off. Make a slip knot by pulling or passing through that one.
Your father.
And now we're gonna do the inner. Or just stretch this first. And this is what it will look like when this one is up.
One of the most brilliant actors of his
So,
generation.
this is what this looks like. This one is done.
Si Adrian ng Rodrigo Hygienic Rosales, pinangalan at inilalas
Go
na gaganap
here.
pa lamang ng 30th Star Awards for Movies.
And get
Kinalugod
the colored rubber band.
ang
I'm using green.
PNBC Dekada Awardee. Siya, ipinagmamalaki ka namin, kapamilya.
I'm here to try the fried chicken. It's all the same, diba? Breaded, pinirito, lunod sa gravy. Fried chicken is fried chicken. Ay, eto na. Hi, chef. Nagpakitang gilas. Tingnan. Grabe.
Chowking Chinese-style fried chicken. Pinayaman sa special Chinese flavors.
Sarap o Chinese style?
Chowking Chinese-style fried chicken.
Sigurado ka bang malinis ang toilet mo? With Thin Bleach, may germs pa rin. Try new thicker Domex. Patay ang all germs. Try Domex. Patay ang all germs. 25 pesos lang.
Do you ever think about money? Do you ever talk about money? We work hard for what we have. But sometimes we wonder, if you lost your job today, would your family be okay? What if we could retire young? What if we couldn't retire at all? Do we have enough? How do we get what we need? If we still see money the same old way, how can we expect our lives to change? So ask. The more you ask, the more you change. And when you change the way you think about money, you can get the best out of life. Make the best happen. BPI.
Dove Ultimate Blue is our ultimate solution.
So I'm not talking this
and
time.
1/4 moisturizing cream that targets stubborn dark spots and lifts them away. Dark spots? Gone.
You're just like doing the chain, but you have the chain.
I'll have what you're having.
My game plan, para sa akin, walang katalo, basta matagalan. Why around 5 years. Habang tumatagal, lalong sumasarap. Don't go in the sun, you get dark. With Pond's, even under the sun, I can stay fair. From the Pond's Institute, get Pond's White Beauty with Korean ginseng.
Get the side. Get a rubber
Gives a
band.
rosy white glow, plus SPF 15 that helps protect from the sun. In a smooth powder finish. Pond's protects my rosy white glow
Get
even under the sun. Pond's White Beauty SPF 15 with powder finish.
rubber band. So that's my pattern.
Iniingat dyan sa umaga ng Lucky Me Mommy.
Get
Mas pansin ang maganda. Yakap ang Mommy at Lucky Me.
hook,
Gandang
rubber
umaga.
band.
Sa ABS-CBN Mobile.
Pwede kayo manood ng TV anytime, anywhere. Just download the free app.
Text
Get
KOL20 to 2135 to get 45
hook.
MB to watch shows via
Get
iWant TV.
You can enjoy watching iWant TV via Wi-Fi. Basta hindi pa expired ang inyong special promo load, talagang iniba na ng ABS-CBN ang mundo ng mobile. Kayo mga pamilya, may kwento ba ang mobile nyo?
so get this the middle piece. Get your rubber band on the color on the side and make a slip of mouse. And you're done there. And let's make an extension.
With my heart, starring Showtime.
Ngayong March 17 na. Pinakain ko yung anak mo.
creature? Bakit biglang bumilis ang tibok?
Galing ako sa wine bar. Nakakuha ako ng kopya ng CCTV niya. Tapos, ako na galing sa
Just make an extension.
sa bar na yun. Nung gabi yun, nung nangyari yung krimen. Pero hindi napansin ng mga pulis na nandun si Kodora. Pero ako, kitang-kita ko yun.
Baka mukha nilang yun. At saka Derek, kung nagpunta man siya doon, hindi naman sasabihin sa atin.
And
Bakit
get
itatago?
a slip in.
Kaya hindi naman na pinakita sa labas ng bahay.
Get a nest kit from the set.
Hindi nga siya yun. Hindi magsisinungaling si Rodora sa atin. Kahit hindi siya nagpunta sa atin, naituro na natin sa kanya yung
And
bago pa siya
now
bumalik sa atin.
continue this part. And you're finally done. And just get the other part of the S clip or the C clip, and you're done with your rainbow path. And I'm gonna teach you how to put your charm or your bead. I'm using this one. Just pinch and slide it. So this is what it looks like. So part it, so this the middle. I'm getting in the back and get this one and hold this one. And get the other part through the back. It's a little bit hard, and make a slip of knot. Oops. So just hold that firmly. Get the other half of the white. Make another slip of knots. By just pulling through that. So you have your basic rainbow path, just using your staggered ones. And it's pretty much easy, and the hardest part is the beading part. So please like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to have another videos. So subscribe to my channel if you love Rainbow Loom, and please go check to my Rainbow Loom, my first loom band review, my rubber band collection, and this one is the farthest that I got. So bye.